In total I've bought 6. So I bought my own house first of all, which was just across the road when there was nothing here, apart from an old burnt out building, and just a few houses up there, and that was when I bought mine. That was 11 years ago. And since then they've started developing the lower part of Wester Craigs, where they have a lot of houses down there as well now, and I bought one for my son and his girlfriend down there about 5 or 6 years ago. And then they started to develop this old building, which I have been looking at out of my bedroom window for the past 11 years, thinking how beautiful it is. And obviously going up walks on the Great Glen Way, you can look down over the hill and it's absolutely stunning, you know. So when they started building, it became quite clear that these flats were just going to be absolutely to die for. They're designed for easy living, and that's what I like about Robertson Homes, because you go into their competitors, the houses are pretty much the same footprint, pretty much the same size, but they're differently designed. And the Robertson Homes have lots of ensuite bathrooms and little nooks and crannies that you can use, and that is what I like about the Robertson Homes. You feel the spaces are big. I have a big lounge, diner, and you know, it's what you need today. They're easy to live in, which some of them are not. The team that was here when I bought the first 2 flats, they were marvellous, and you know, I could go down and just have a chat with them anytime, and they pulled out all the stops so that I could see what was happening in the flat while it was being redone. It was an amazing, when they were first doing these flats, obviously it was so interesting to see them taking shape from just a burnt out shell of a building. I move on to the last 2 that I've bought, which was just this year. Liz, she has been great because she's just a really nice person, and she is extremely efficient, and that is brilliant because that's what you need when you're buying a house. I have actually already asked Liz about the new houses they're going to be building at Torvain, and she says she's going to keep me the best one, so we'll see. We'll see.
So you will be buying another one?
I probably will, yes.